How to fix Roblox Voice Chat not showing up on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot when the voice chat option is missing. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. After that, sign into your Roblox account. From there, click on the gear icon at the top right. At this point, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the next step, click on the Account Info tab. Following this, check your age group and birth date listed there, since voice chat is restricted to accounts verified as 13 and older. Once done, if your account doesn't meet this requirement, voice chat won't appear regardless of other settings. From here, click on the Privacy tab instead if your age qualifies. At this stage, scroll down and check if voice chat is toggled on. Keep in mind, if it's off, toggle it on, since this setting needs to be manually enabled even for eligible accounts. After this, some accounts also require age verification through a government ID or official scan before voice chat becomes available, so check if you're being prompted for this under the same privacy settings. Finally, restart Roblox and join a game that supports voice chat to confirm the option now appears. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Roblox voice chat not showing up on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.